the fuck you look like. That's a nothing, bitch. This is better than eating booty, bro. When I done ate so much booty out there, probably about 15 niggas. And this is so much better. If I knew hot Cheetos was better than booty, I would have never ate booty. But damn, I don't know who made it, what organization, how many calories today? 190 calories. Nutrifacts, 1 serving per container. Oh, the total fat, 12 G, 16%. The saturated fat, 1.5 G, 9%. Okay, goodbye, bitch. The sodium, 280 mg, 12%. Cholesterol. 0 mg, 0%. My sodium and sodium, 280 mg. Oh, I said that, my bad. Dilateral fiber, less than 1 G, 3%. Total OG, 0 G, I'm sorry. Bitch, OG, it look like a little old age. Okay. Vitamin D, OMCG. O percent. Calamine 6 mg. The iron, M1G. Possum. Seriously? 40 mg. Possum. Oh, what ingredients? Cornmeal, vegetable oil, flaming hot seasoning. Oh, sunflower oil, cheddar cheese. Oh, they got some stuff in here. Garden powder. Oh, I may buy this bag or something. 2 for $1. Oh, connect with cheese and cheddar. Facebook.com. Cheetos. I gotta go like their page. It's stop. It stopped. Now, let me teach you guys something. Be quiet. We have a science class, bitch. I just found some new technology, motherfucker. Now, if anyone can pass my class, this is science class. Can you tell me why it stopped pouring and it didn't go past the black top? Can anybody tell me, when I took this over, okay, why is it not continue to flow? Anybody know? I like this class, bitch. I do too. We science. Come on, we gonna be little scientists when we grow up. There's no air pressure. Oh God, there's no air pressure. Okay, I like that idea. So you think if I raise it up, it'll continue to come out. There's no air pressure, right? Go on, get out of here. You a thug. Get out of my class. Principal office. Bye bye. Why the fuck is you here? You don't need an education. Look at your hair. You thuggish. Game banger, baby. You're gonna be dead or in jail. I'm sorry to tell you like that, baby. You might as well go get your GED now, because bitch, just not what you want. Okay, sorry, class. But anyways, because liquid touching liquid. Ooh, liquid touching liquid. So liquid touching liquid won't give it a flow. That's what you're saying. Okay, let me teach you something else. I know a little scientist, bitch. I was in the 11th grade. Oops. Okay. When I drop this top in here, Mr. White, yes, ma'am. Do you think this top is going to give me a float, or do you think it's going to give me or you think it's going to sink in? Okay, do you think it's going to give me a float or sink? Float on the top, no matter which way I put it. Okay. Oh, you was right. Oh, sips you think from this straw? It's going to take me. Who want to play a game? I don't care. Okay, that's that smell. Okay, come on. That's one. That's two. Why my bitch $15 crack on me? Anything, bitch, I'm on it. I'm on it. On my mama, bitch, I'm on it. It's been 3 days. On it. It's been 3 days. Huh? That's two. Why my bitch $15 crack on me? Anything, bitch, I'm on it. I'm on it. On my mama, bitch, I'm on it. It's been 3 days. Huh?